I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Bit Assist. Copy the webhook URL and fetch the data. Now, go to Bit Assist Pro Dashboard. Click on Add Widget. Give here the widget name. Create. Click on three dots and edit it. Add channel. Choose Custom Form as a channel. Give here a meaningful channel title. Add fields. Scroll down and paste here the webhook URL. Save the channel. Now go WordPress page, click on the Bit Assist logo and click on Bit Integrations. Now fill in the form to fetch data. Submit it. After submitting the form, go to the Bit Integrations dashboard and here you can see the data has been fetched successfully. Now click on Set Action. Now, search and select Google Sheet. To get client ID and secret, please visit Google API Console. Now, search for Google Drive API. Click on Enable. Search for Google Sheet API. Click on Enable. Click on Credentials. Click on Create Credentials. Choose OAuth Client ID. Application type. Web application. Name. Bit Integrations. To get authorized redirect URI, go to Bit Integrations dashboard and copy authorized redirect URI. Paste it here. Now, click on Create. Copy client ID. Paste it here. Copy client secret. Paste it here. Now click Authorize. Authorization is successful. Click Next. Choose your spreadsheet. Choose your worksheet. Now, map the fields. Here is the conditional logic. You can use it if you want. If the condition matches, then the data you will send to Google Sheet. Click Next. Click on Finish and Save. Go to the WordPress page and fill in the form. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now, let's go to our Google Sheet. As you can see, data successfully sent to Google Sheet. Thanks for watching.